2025 might be remembered as the year science finally stepped into the future. Let me show you why. This year gave us breakthrough that could change human life forever. Let's take a tour through the biggest one. Another year has passed, full of memes, drama, and a lot of forgettable TV shows. But behind all the noise, science had one of its most exciting years ever. Today we are looking at some of the biggest scientific breakthroughs of 2025. From night vision contact lenses to possible sign of life on Mars. Let's begin. Number 1. Night vision contact lenses. Yes, they are real now. Image seeing in the dark without goggles and even with your eyes closed. In May 2025, researchers in China introduced a new invention called up conversion contact lenses. These lenses use tiny nanoparticles that take invisible near infrared light and turn it into visible light so your eyes can detect it. What this means? You can see infrared signals like LED markers, and in some tests the signal was clearer when the user closed their eyes because eyelid block visible light but let some infrared pass through. The limitations: images are blurry, no depth perception, works only with bright infrared sources, not useful for heat-based thermal vision. Scientists also created special glasses with layered material to fix the blurry image problem. But the contact lenses themselves are still early prototypes. In the future, this tech might even help colorblind people by tuning the nanoparticles to visible colors. Number 2. A new gene therapy that can cure sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease has caused suffering for generations. Bone marrow transplants have been the only cure, but they are risky and hard to match. 2025 gave us something better. A treatment called Lifegenia, a type of gene therapy, modifies a patient's own blood stem cells so their red blood cells don't become sickle cell. The FDA approved it in 2023, and by 2025, a young man in New York was officially declared cured. Good news: no donor needed, lower rejections risk, and one-time treatment. The bad news: the patient must still undergo a strong chemotherapy, and the cost about $3.1 million for a single dose. Research will hopefully bring that price down. Number 3. A vaccine that may stop pancreatic cancer from returning. Pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest cancers because it's hard to detect early. In 2025, scientists from UCLA tested a new vaccine targeting a mutation called CRAS, which appears in most pancreatic cancers. This vaccine does not prevent cancer, but it helps stop it from coming back after treatment. In their phase 1 trial, 84% of patients developed immune cells targeting the mutation. Many patients stayed cancer-free far longer than expected. Survival numbers could not even be calculated because most were still alive and doing well. It is still early, but the results are extremely promising. Even better, this is an off-the-shelf vaccine, not a personalized one, which means it could become affordable. Number 4. Butt breathing, a new way to give oxygen. Yes, you hear that right. Scientists call it infrarectal perfluoroalkyl therapy, but everyone else called it butt breathing. Here is the idea. Instead of putting a tube down someone's throat, a special oxygen-rich liquid can be absorbed through the intestines and deliver oxygen to the body. It sounds strange, but animal tests showed it works. Human trials in 2025 proved that the liquid is safe inside the body, no toxicity, no absorption into the bloodstream, and only mild cramping at high doses. Why this matters? Could help patients when ventilators are unavailable, less damaging than intubation, may be helpful for newborn babies with fragile lungs. The next step is testing oxygen-rich versions to see if it truly works for oxygen delivery in humans. Number 5 is possible evidence of ancient life on Mars. This might be the biggest news of all. NASA Perseverance rover collected a rock sample from an ancient lake bed. On the rock were unusual leopard spot patterns, white spot with black rings. On Earth, these spots are often created by bacteria that use iron and sulfur. The rover found that the Martian spots contained iron phosphate and iron sulfide. Both are common byproducts of bacterial metabolism. Could something else have caused the spots? Possibly. But that would require the area to have been extremely hot or acidic, and scientists say it was not. So at the moment, the bacterial explanation fits best, and there is no non-biological explanations that make sense. The only problem, we need the rock back on Earth to confirm it. But NASA sample return mission is frozen due to budget cuts. Even so, this is the strongest evidence ever found that Mars may once have hosted microbial life. 2025 has been a wild year for science, from night vision lenses to gene therapy miracles, from new cancer vaccines to potential proof of life on another planet. Humanity is moving into a new era. If even half of these breakthroughs reach everyday use, the future is about to get very interesting. Thanks for watching.